Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Thereturnable. I just want to say thank you for everybody who like, share and thumb up my video. You can see today I make a wise land extra long grain, and I think it's a natural brown rice. So I come to you to tell you, if you're making that rice, you have a lot to do. That rice is really strong, and then you need to put a lot of water. You need to uh, cook it for a long time. So, but the rice is really delicious when you're making it. So I make the rice with brown mushrooms, and they call it jonjo in Haiti. I make it with it. But when you cook it, you have to cook it really good, because if you don't cook it, the rice not going to be cooked. So I will make a video how to make it next time when I'm going to cook it again. So it's really good and delicious rice if you know how to make it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.